Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the 18th chapter of our English book, that is Weeds in the Garden. This lesson gives us the wonderful message of stopping a bad habit right at the start. Otherwise, it may take such a big root that it would be difficult for us to get rid of this bad habit and even ruin our life. Let come along then, read and understand its meaning. Now, students, take out your page number 44 of your textbook. Let us start with the lesson. So, lesson name is Weeds in the Garden. Most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. As you all know, your parents try to fulfill all your wishes. Whatever you want, whatever you wishes, they try to fulfill it. Right? They feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. So here, indulge means what? Let someone have or do what they want, even if it is not good for them. Means this parents they try to fulfill all the needs and they feel sorry when they are not able to fulfill your need. And also when you do some wrong thing, they don't like to scold you. And when even a scolding has a no effect, the parents become very unhappy. So when you do some bad things or show some bad habits, so they try to scold you, they scold you, and then also if it is not having any use, then they feel very unhappy. Such was the case with Anshuman and his parents. So here this story is about Anshuman and his parents. So let us learn what this story tells us about. Anshuman's parent had noticed that he was developing some bad habit. So here the Anshuman's parents are noticing this was not the first time he is repeating that bad habit. They have noticed it several times. So they were knowing that he was developing some bad habits. Naturally, they began to warn him time and again, but all in a vain. Means when they were noticing his bad habits, they were telling or they were warning him to not to do this. Like that, they were telling them, they cautioning them, or they repeating and telling time to time that you should not repeat this again and again. After telling this many times also, it was useless. You can say in vain means without any success. After telling a lot of time, there was no success, or it is going in a waste. It was useless by saying to Anshuman. Anshuman just couldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get hold over him. So here the Anshuman was not listening to what their parents were telling him. He refused. He was not believing that this bad habit is going to hold him. He was thinking that I can get rid of this bad habit whenever I want. Gentle words, strict warnings, or scolding. Now and then, his parents tried everything short of beating him up. So here, when the parents were warning him, they have used gentle words, soft word to explain him, as well as strict warnings not to do this, not to do that, as well as a scolding now and then. They were scolding him now every time whenever they see his bad habit. Then also he was not listening, but they were not the parents were not beating him, they were explaining him, but and they that they would never do. Means they were not liking they were not liking to beat him, right? They were trying to get rid of his bad habit, but they were warning him using scoldings as well as strict warnings and all. However, the unhappy they themselves were. They wanted to be loving, gentle as they tried to correct their son's way. So here they were very unhappy because they they wanted to love the child, to be gentle with them, and try to correct their sons, but they don't want to beat him. Soon an opportunity presented itself. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. So here they were searching for an opportunity. Soon a chance they have got, and Anshuman has gone to his grandfather's farm with his parents. Early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. He was describing the specialities of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman. So here, as the Anshuman has gone to the grandfather's farm on gone there, right? So early in the morning, his father has took him to the farm, and he was describing all the specialities, the special qualities of the various plants, vines, bushes, trees to Anshuman. Suddenly he stopped and pointed at the small seedling growing near a plant. So he stopped at a place and he was pointing at a small plant which has now only taken root. Anshuman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? So here, what is weed? Weed is a wild plant growing way. It is not wanted. As you all can see, when the rainy season is there, because of the water, there are a lot of plants which we are not growing. It is growing like that only, as well as it is not going to we can use it, right? Such kind of plants are being called as weed. So here, while they were going and the Anshuman's father was explaining him the specialities of different kind of plants and trees, at that time he has pointed to a plant, and that was a weed, right? Then his father is telling, can you pull it out? Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all the small seedling out. Good, said his father, and they continued with their walk. So, as his father has told him to pull that weed, right? So, he has, without any difficulty, he has pulled all the small seedlings out, and his father has appreciated him as good. Then they both started walking again. After a while, they came upon a small weed. Same weed, but there it has grown slightly bigger. Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant too. So as they were walking, again they have saw a weed plant, but as in the further they have saw a small plant, right? But this weed plant was slightly bigger than the first one. So again his father has told him to pull out that plant. He told him to uproot the weed carefully, making sure that no trace of the root was left in the soil. Uproot means what? Pull out from the ground along with the root. Okay, and now his father has told him that you have to carefully pull out the plant so that no root should be left in the soil. Otherwise, the weed can grow again. So his father has given him reason why you have to uproot the plant properly, so that if you are not going to remove the root properly, then this plant will grow again. Anshuman uprooted the plant carefully, twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it came out. So here in the first one, the first weed plant was very small. Then he has, without any difficulty, he has pulled, right? But this plant was slightly bigger than that. So he was very carefully, he was twisting and pulling it so hard that the whole root has came out. Then his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. There it has grown in a big plant with a tiny flowers and dark fruit. So here, as they he has pulled that plant, right? Slightly bigger plant, that weed plant. Then his father has seen somewhere. He has given some attention to some distance and he saw a same weed plant, but it has grown a big plant with a tiny flowers is also there, as well as a dark fruits are also there in that. That would be quite dangerous. We must not leave it growing there. Take it out, said Anshuman's father. Then, after seeing that, he has told to Anshuman that if it is quite dangerous to keep it growing there. So he told him, we must not leave it growing there. So we have to take it out. We have to pull this plant. We have to uproot this plant properly. Anshuman held the plant in his hand and gave it a tug. Tug means what? A pull. He has hold that plant in his hand and he's tried to pull it out. Right? The weed didn't move at all. He pulled harder and harder, but to no avail. Means after the weed, he was trying to pull it, right? But slightly the plant is not even moved from the place. Then he tried very hard, but there was no use. I can't get this out, exclaimed Anshuman. It has gone too deep in the soil. So what the Anshuman is telling, I'm not able to pull it out. I think the root has gone so deep in the soil. So then his father brought some tools. They dug around the weed and with a great effort pulled it out. So after that, his father has brought some tools so that they can dig the soil and they can take out the plant. With a great effort, they have pulled the plant. Then they returned home after the hard work. Anshuman's father mentioned, so after they have dug the plant, they have came to the home after doing such a hard work. The Anshuman father mentioned something afterwards to him, that is, habits are like a weed. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them. It is wise to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. Then his father has explained him that the habits are like a weed. If you allow them to grow, it is very harder to pull it out. It is wise. It is good to get rid of them. Get rid means take the action to free from something. Take an action to free from your bad habit. It will be easy for do so. When you start developing the bad habit, at that time if you will try to get rid of it, it will be easy. But when you allow them to grow, it will very hard. It will be very harder to pull it out. Anshuman realized the truth and his father's word. Throughout his life, he never forgot that early morning walk on the farm with his father. After telling this whole thing, he realized the truth of his father's words, and then throughout his life, he has not forgot that early morning walk with his father. So, here in this lesson, we have studied that we may develop some bad habits in our life, but we have to try to get rid of them at the earliest time. If you will allow it to grow, then it will be very hard to leave it, to get rid of it. So, this was the wonderful message of stopping bad habit right at the start. Otherwise, it may take such a big route that would be difficult for us to get rid of